Okay, this problem asks you to balance this chemical equation and then calculate the mass of HCl that it takes to make 5.654 times 10 to the 27 formula units of manganese 2 chloride. That is a lot. So let's get with the balancing part. First of all, I'm going to notice right away that I am in an even odd situation with the oxygens. 4 on the left, 1 on the right. That's even odd. And so the best thing to do is to go ahead and start multiplying stoichiometric coefficients by 2. And if I put a 2 here with potassium permanganate, then I will be on the right track. So I have 2 potassiums on the left. That gives me, I need to put 2 potassiums on the right. I also have 2 manganese on the left. So I need to put 2 manganese on the right. Now, I'm going to leave chlorine till the end because that is an isolated element. That's just one of the suggestions that you should follow. So let's go ahead and work with the oxygens. I've got 8 on the left in the potassium permanganate. And so I need to put 8 on the right in the water. Now I can work with hydrogen. 8 times 2 is 16 on the right. So I'll need 16 on the left. And if I add up the chlorines, I have 16 on the left, and on the right, I already have 6, 2 from KCl and 4 from manganese 2 chloride. So that means I only need 10, and so the stoichiometric coefficient there would be 5. So let's start doing some planning. What did I give? What did the problem give me? It gave me 5.654 times 10 to the 27th formula units of manganese 2 chloride. What is it asking for? Number 2, it's asking for mass of HCl. All right, the basic plan, units in 1 to the units in 2, that means the number of manganese 2 chloride formula units converted to grams of HCl, but there isn't a direct path. In order to do that, I need to use the balanced chemical equation. And the balanced chemical equation always talks in moles. So since I'm converting between 2 different species, that's what tells me the balanced chemical equation is going to be helpful. So I know that I can go from the number of formula units of manganese 2 chloride to the moles of manganese 2 chloride. Now I can use the balanced chemical equation to convert that into moles of HCl. Once I have moles of HCl, I can use the molar mass to convert to grams. So putting it all together, 5.654 times 10 to the 27th MnCl2. I can use Avogadro's relationships to convert that to moles of MnCl2. Then I use the stoichiometry in the reaction. 2 moles of manganese 2 chloride requires 16 moles of HCl. And the mass of HCl is 1 mole per 36.458 grams of HCl. Okay, putting it into my calculator, I get 2.738 times 10 to the 6th grams of HCl. So it takes about 2.738 million grams of HCl to produce 5.654 times 10 to the 27th formula units of manganese chloride based on this chemical reaction. Okay, that's it.